Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery in your Subaru Forester key fob. First, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Look for a small slot on the side of your key fob. This is where you'll begin to gently open the casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. It's a straightforward process once you know where to start. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the two halves separate easily. Pay close attention to how the old CR2032 battery is positioned before you remove it. This will help ensure you insert the new one correctly. Use your screwdriver or a fingernail to carefully lift out the old battery. It should pop out without much force, revealing the empty slot. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment. Make sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. Press down gently to ensure it's securely seated. Then, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. They should snap back together without much effort, creating a tight seal. With the new battery in, firmly press the two halves of the key fob together until you hear them click securely into place. Now, it's time to test it out. Try locking and unlocking your Subaru Forester to confirm everything is working correctly. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.